Okay, so we already talked about the two ways that a new partner can join a partnership. Now let's talk about one more step that has to happen before the new partner can join. We need to update the asset accounts for the other existing partners before the new partner can join so that anything that has changed in value can go ahead and be assigned to the old partners before the new partner comes on. So let me show you how this works. So we have Connie invested $30,000 in the Cole and Ambrosina partnership for ownership equity of $30,000. So automatically we can see that this is a new partner going to contribute assets to a partnership. Prior to the investment, the land was revalued to a market value of $260,000 from a book value of $200,000. Cole and Ambrosino share net income in a 1-to-2 ratio. So the market value has gone up $60,000 because there's a difference between 260 and 200 of $60,000. So we need to revalue the land. We need to make that land value be the new value by adding $60,000 to it. And we need to give the credit for that increase to the existing partners, which is Cole Capital and Ambrosino Capital. Increase to capital accounts has to happen with the credit because it has a normal credit balance. So how much do we need to assign? Well, we're going to use this 1-to-2 ratio, which means that Cole will get 1/3, and that means that Ambrosino will get 2/3. And I know that because you add 1 and 2 and you get 3, and that's your denominator. So Cole will get 1/3 and Ambrosino will get 2/3 of the total change. So I'm going to put 60,000 here. And I'm just going to do this calculation. You would just do this in your calculator however you like, but I'm just going to show it here. I'm multiplying across. And I like to have commas so that I can see easily my numbers. So Cole Capital needs to increase by $20,000 for that 1/3, and Ambrosino Capital needs to go up by $40,000 for her 2/3. And of course the total needs to be 60,000. So that's the entry that we would make at the beginning of this before we actually admit the new partner. Okay, so when we go to admit the new partner, which is her name is going to be Connie Nelson. I should put that here so that we know that this is Connie Nelson, but we're gonna put in Nelson. Invested $30,000 into the partnership. Since Connie is putting the assets into the partnership, cash of the partnership will go up, and then this Connie Nelson Capital will get the benefit of her $30,000 because it says that she invested $30,000 and got an ownership equity of $30,000. All right, so what we need to know is that before we admit a new partner, regardless of the way that we do it, we need to revalue the assets and assign them to the existing partners, and then we go ahead and admit the new partner to our partnership. Let me know if you have any questions.